Can you earn with Instagram affiliate marketing without showing your face? Absolutely. Thousands of people do. But you need a strategic approach because this is not just about posting random aesthetic reels and hoping that a link brings you money. It's all about choosing the right niche, the right affiliate programs to join, and creating content that people actually want to watch on Instagram. And this is exactly what I want to break down in today's video. I'm going to show you how I would approach Instagram faceless marketing, how I would start creating aesthetic content around a niche, and how a tool such as Storyblocks fits perfectly inside your workflow if you don't want to film yourself every single day. Because one of the biggest problems with faceless content is simple. You need good visuals. And if your reels don't look strong, people scroll away. So let's get into the strategy and see exactly how we can monetize an Instagram account with affiliate marketing. First things first, you need to know your audience, your niche, and your affiliate programs. So the first thing you do, you don't open CapCut and try to find some things in there and put some captions on it and that's it. Before you even create your Instagram page, you need to know who you're talking to, what niche you want to be in, what types of problems you want to solve for your audience, and what affiliate programs or program just makes sense. So I would not join 15 affiliate programs altogether. Instead, I would focus on a niche, pick 2 to 3 maximum affiliate programs that would fit that niche, and then think of my content and what I would do with that. So let's say, for example, you want to start a faceless Instagram channel for travel. Your affiliate programs could be things like a travel eSIM or internet service, a booking or travel tool, or maybe luggage and travel essentials that are broad and that are not specific to a brand. Because with fashion, let's say, that is going to be a little hard to get stock footage for because stock footage is not limited to a certain type of brand or a certain type of product, but instead it is more broad and includes different categories. If your niche is tech, for example, you can join affiliate programs for software, gadgets, or productivity tool. If your niche is web design or online business, you can do affiliate programs for website tools, email marketing tools, domain or hosting tools. And this is really important because you want your Instagram page to have a clear identity from the start. So from the beginning, you need to know exactly who you're trying to help with your Instagram content and what types of products they would be interested in, so you know exactly which types of affiliate programs to join. So once you figure that out, it is time to move to step number 2, which is create high quality content for your faceless Instagram account. And this is where Storyblocks becomes really useful, because if you want to grow on Instagram and make money with Instagram marketing, with affiliate marketing on Instagram, you need to post a lot. And posting a lot comes with needing a lot of content to be created. So if you don't have time for that, or you just don't want to do that, Instagram faceless marketing is perfect if you have a tool such as Storyblocks, because Storyblocks gives you footage, templates, music, sound effects, and images all inside one platform, and they highlight unlimited downloads and commercial safe licensing for creators and businesses. So if you need footage, B-roll, atmosphere, movement, music, sound effects, and content that feels high quality enough to stop the scroll, these are perfect for Instagram faceless channel. So for a travel niche, you could use destination shots, airport footage, oceans, hotels, sunsets, cafes, people walking through cities, luggage, passports, beach clubs. For a faceless feminine lifestyle page, you can use coffee shots, desk setups, girls walking in cities, journaling, self-care. For business or tech, you could do laptop work footage, digital marketing scenes, office B-roll, or phone and app related content. Then you would take that footage from Storyblocks and import it into CapCut, for example, and start creating reels, start creating content with that. Because with this type of marketing, you don't want to just add a random video and add some text on it, even though those videos can do really well sometimes. You can do that as one type of content, but my advice is to build different content pillars for your niche, for your account. So that can be one type of content. Another type of content can be offering tips for your audience. For example, 5 travel essentials when traveling to Bali, 5 Bali destinations that you must not miss. So when you want to create this type of content, you need to use Storyblocks and see what they offer and then start creating content. So let's do this just now. So the first thing you have to do is go into Storyblocks and find the footage that you need. For example, for this 5 Bali destinations that you must not miss. First off, you need to research these locations and, of course, know what you're talking about. So first things first, you need to know exactly what types of videos you're making, the goal for each video, the hook for each video, and then the content. So write a short script. Once you have your short script ready, it is time to go into Storyblocks and find the visuals that will help you achieve that video. Even if you don't find the footage from that exact location, it can still be relevant to the videos that you're creating because people will search for those locations either way. So you're offering value through your reels. You're not just selling something right away in your Instagram Faceless account. So if you want to create complete reels with Storyblocks, I would suggest also taking a look at the music they offer, at the sound effects, because those can make reels even more engaging and scroll stopping. Advice number 3 is to add your expertise and value, not just random footage, as I said. So what you need to do is have an entire strategy for your Instagram account to grow and attract a specific audience. So you can attract travel enthusiasts, you can attract web designers, agency owners, online creators, whatever it is, make sure that you understand who you're talking to and what they need. And not every single one of your reels needs to be there to sell. So I would not encourage people to click the link in bio, buy this now in every single reel. Instead, make them feel welcome on your page and make them enjoy your page enough to follow and like your reels, save them and share them with their friends, for example. So for more videos ideas, you can do 5 travel tips for Bali, what to pack for Bali, how to stay connected while traveling, mistakes to avoid when traveling there, best places to work remotely from. And for this type of account, one of your affiliate programs can be a travel eSIM or internet service. That recommendation fits naturally because this is how affiliate marketing will work really well. People that are attracted to traveling and that travel a lot will come to your page and they will see that you use that product that you're recommending because it is great for traveling. It is a solution to their existing problem, and you need to find a way to make that affiliate product fit in naturally in the content. So this is not just about posting aesthetic content. It is about being useful to your audience, teaching them something, giving them value, and then also recommending products that have helped you or that will help them in their existing case. Step number 4 is to post daily. Build repetition and be consistent. Faceless Instagram pages often win by repetition and volume. So try posting every day and trying different formats, different hooks, and try to stay in the same kind of visual lane so people recognize your page. I would also recommend branding your Instagram page and doing something like a branded logo that fits with the type of content that you're posting so people understand that you're taking this really seriously. You can also even start a website, post these types of content that you're doing as reels into blog posts, and then people will take you even more seriously because you're no longer just an Instagram Faceless page. You're a business that is marketing all types of different affiliate products. Make sure that when you're creating content, you're staying true to your ideal target customer, your ideal target audience for your page. So you're targeting a certain emotion, a certain feeling, a certain desire. So for example, you can target people that will love to work abroad or to work remotely from amazing travel destinations around the world. And you can talk about that, how to work remotely in Bali, how to work there, and what are the best travel destinations for working on a laptop and things like that. Make it seem like you understand them and what they need. And this is the best way to sell affiliate products on Instagram. And finally, make sure that your call to action is soft and relevant. So don't be just a sales page that keeps saying, hey, this is the travel e-theme that I have for traveling. Go ahead and check it out. No, instead, try speaking to your target audience and then integrate those affiliate products naturally. By building a business and a brand around this Instagram Faceless page, as I mentioned, buying a professional domain, adding your reels as blog posts, for example, can make your brand stronger and your audience really take you seriously and buy from you. This will earn you the affiliate commissions that you truly want, and with reels going viral, this can lead 100 or more sales for your affiliate products that you're recommending and commissions every single day. So by following all of this advice, I'm sure that you can start building a strong brand with your Instagram Faceless account and start affiliate marketing right. Of course, this requires a lot of content and high quality content that your audience loves, and Storyblocks is the perfect place to get that. So make sure to browse Storyblocks to find high quality content such as videos, images, sound effects, music, and much more for your social media accounts and for your business. Make sure to use the link in the description to get a special offer for a limited time. Let me know in the comments below, if you were to start an Instagram Faceless page today, what would it be about? Would it be about travel, tech, web design, styling tips, or more? As always, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!